Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls for bright show of solidarity by switching off all lights and lighting a candle on April 5 at 9 p.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls for bright show of solidarity by switching off all lights and lighting a candle on April 5th at 9 p.m. Mr. Modi requests all of us to switch off all the lights of our house on 5th of April at 9 p.m. for 9 minutes and just light a candle, diya or mobile's flashlight to mark out fight against coronavirus. India tally of confirmed cases crossed 2,300 and death toll touches 56. As the nationwide lockdown entered the 10th day, PM Modi in a video address praised the people for their discipline even as confirmed cases crossed 2,050 across India. Pitching for efforts on a war footing to identify and isolate COVID-19 hotspots, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday hinted at a staggered exit from the ongoing lockdown after the 21-day period ends on April 14, while the nationwide tally of the confirmed cases of the deadly virus infection rose by more than 500 to cross 2,500 with at least 76 deaths. Meanwhile, many new cases of coronavirus infection have been reported across the country, which witnessed a spike in the confirmed cases tally. The death toll now stands at 53 according to the Health Ministry. Exactly 2,069 positive cases have been reported so far. Over 150 people have recovered from the pandemic and been sent home from hospitals. On the other hand, the World Bank considers the approved $1 billion emergency financing for India to tackle the outbreak. Few global updates on coronavirus. The COVID-19 has infected more than 1 million people across the world. More than 53,000 have died and 211,000 recovered in the biggest global pandemic. US has the most cases, recording over 245,000 positive cases according to the Johns Hopkins University. World Bank approved $1 billion emergency funds for India to tackle COVID-19 outbreak. More than 95% of the people who died of COVID-19 in Europe have been over 60 years, World Health Organization said. Overall, more than 5 lakh confirmed coronavirus cases have been reported in Europe. And meanwhile, PM interacts with 40 sportspersons via video conferencing on coronavirus situation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held meeting with 40 top sportspersons including Sachin Tendulkar, PV Sindhu and Hima Das via video conferencing today on COVID-19 situation in the country. Now let us have a look at the COVID-19 pandemic in the world. COVID-19 worldwide, total cases 10,16,278, and so far the total number of the deaths is 53,236 and total recovered is 2,13,126. And now for India, COVID-19. In India, total cases registers 2,301 and total deaths 56 and total recovered 156.